Welcome to this enabling a conducive environment for e-commerce. So in summary, all business plans have some essential segments that will explain a part of this business. It is very important that you cover each one of these aspects clearly and articulate them, so that investors are better able to understand how your business will function. Make sure that you are always fully aware of how each part of the business plan works with each other, so that you can explain these to your investors. Finally, presenting your business plan. Presenting your business plan is a very important aspect of your overall business venture. Once you have prepared your business plan and the relevant PowerPoint packs to communicate your business, you will need to practice presenting this to investors and other stakeholders within your business. It is very important that you obtain enough practice so that you are better placed not only present but also answer any questions should investors have them. Finally, I would appreciate if you take a look at the business plan presentation. You have been building a business plan for your organization using additional e-commerce technologies. This segment will ask you to now collect all of that information and make it a 10-minute presentation, and be prepared to ask questions and answer questions from a range of audiences that could comprise of not only investors, but also business executives. Presentation of your business plan is a very important aspect of your organizational capability. Your ability to communicate useful information about the future plans as well as the current plans will be an important aspect of you being able to communicate adequately, not only to investors and executives, but also customers and shareholders alike. I would highly encourage you to continue to practice and continue to improve your venture business plan so that you become fully aware of both the strategic and technological imperatives of your business plan. Your business plan is a moving document and is never static. It will need to evolve over time and will need to identify continuously emerging technologies and business modules that you may wish to consider. Good luck putting your business plan together. Good luck on your business journey.